low, sell high on Caterpillar doesn't look terrible. Next on the list is NVIDIA, and holy beep, NVIDIA was so nice today. Just straight up beep, amazing gap. Falco has a put sale, and like I said yesterday and on Friday, full disclosure, I am in calls on NVIDIA. Those are June 2020 calls. JL got 4 R's on NVIDIA. Congratulations, holding, buddy. The most no-brainer buy I've seen in my life, I think. And I'm almost not saying that with exaggeration. I mean, come on. Look at this. It finally made it down to the 200 simple. This is it on NVIDIA. Time to go long, folks. Right? My boy Bob has 135 put sales. Scott says Moon Lambo. Yes. This is it, man. Get ready to rock. I am not bearish on NVIDIA any longer. Let's crush. So we could make one other low. Like we could dip down. I'm not saying we can't go lower than here. But I will only be looking for longs on NVIDIA unless we close below 120. So I know that's a long way away from right now, but at this level, where we're at, the candle, the volume, all that stuff, it's almost too perfect. So I'm kind of like, nah, there's no way it's going to just crush from here. Theoretically, tomorrow we could get a bearish candle, and that would be what's called a 3-line strike. Very rare candle pattern that I never talk about. Unless we close, like I've been saying on the whole market, if we're going to get a sell-off, it's going to have to happen tomorrow. If we get this just cataclysmic, insane bearish move and it happens tomorrow, fine. We're going to get some pain out there in the market. Otherwise, this should be it. This is the location. I'm looking for a gap up, some type of continuation, some type of move on NVIDIA. Again, I am in June 2020 calls on NVIDIA. Those are $200 calls. And I know they're very far out of the money. They're not very expensive. And if NVIDIA, keyword if, does this, then I might buy my own Moon Lambo. Which is a Lamborghini that you can drive on the moon. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but we will see. So taking a risk, it's not a very expensive risk. You can, for $1,300, you can buy, I think 4, or you could have bought 4 of those contracts. I think now maybe you can buy 3 of them. But yeah, looks good. And buy low, sell high off the 200. Loving